What's up guys, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Summer Forever here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make easy doll supplies for your dolls. Now first thing we're going to do is how to make little doll paint. But before we do this, make sure you give us a big thumbs up, turn notifications so you won't miss any of my videos. Now let's get started. So you're going to take a paint that comes with any set of paint that you're not going to be using. You're going to take your scissors and you're going to cut it right in the center, and you're going to cut another one and another and your last one. Now you can still use the paint still, it's just that it's miniature and smaller. Now I think this is a good idea because it's super small and it's perfect for dolls to do paint. And for the people who really want to see if it's actually for the doll size, here it is. Here's them stacked up, and it's perfect for the dolls to do paints and stuff. On to the next craft is how to make this notebook. This looks really nice, and here's the back of it. And I'm going to show you an easy way to make it. First, you're going to take a piece of paper like this, a little small piece of paper. You're going to fold it in half. This is just a piece of paper that is cut in half. You're going to fold it like that, and going down it's like that. And then I'm going to glue it. Well, this is too big, so I'm gonna get a different piece of paper. I'm gonna cut it into a small little notebook. There you go. Gonna take it out, and you're going to cut it in half. And you're also going to take some glue. You're going to glue it to the back, just on the crease. You're going to put it in the other crease like that. Smooth it out. And there you go. I'm going to trim a little. Trim it over here. Trim like that. And there is your book. Now it's time to design. I'm going to take a Sharpie, a black Sharpie, and I'll draw lines on the ends like I did with this one. And then I can draw my design, and it should look like this. And here's my line. And if you want to do a simple one, I'm going to draw a little small rectangle like this. And then you're going to draw two lines under that rectangle you made. That is how mine's going. And I'm going to draw, what design should I make? I'm just going to color it blue and do like a sunset. Here is the final notebook of mine that I made. I just decided to have it all yellow. And I also, here's all of them. I also made this one. It was like a weird type of beachy one. And that one as well. And that is how you make a doll notebook. And here it is with the doll. The doll can even hold it. And she can put it away in her book bag or her bag. And she could paint inside her notebook as well. And that is all the doll crafts for today. There will be more school supply videos though. Well guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you give us a big thumbs up, turn on notifications so you won't miss any of my videos. And we'll see you next time. Bye!